Kumakalat ngayon sa social media that Bea Alonzo di umano ay hindi pregnant with thoughts,
Hmm.
but pregnant with a baby. How true, how true. And yes, oh yes, we are welcoming you to the Sunday edition of the TT Show. This is Alvin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring ultra maldita, so ravishing in stripes.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
At syempre pa, ito po ang Tarayan at Talakayan Showbiz Edition. Second episode na po namin, o di ba? But if you look at the number 2, ibig sabihin nun, parang ano, number 2 lang. Wala lang akong masabi. Wala lang akong ma-eme. So, ito na nga. Totoo nga ba ang chismis na ito, Mare? Kumakalat ngayon sa social media that Bea Alonzo di umano ay hindi pregnant with thoughts,
Hmm.
but pregnant with a baby. How true, how true.
Tawag dito, parang ano naman. Kasi nga, parang she was hiding her tummy
Mm-hmm.
in the photos that we saw on social media.
Okay.
O, kaya, ang feeling ng mga tao, she's
She's
she's,
anticipating.
oo, parang ganun ang
Mm.
dating. Kasi, she was never like that
Oo.
in her previous,
Pictorials or photo
photo
ops
ops with,
with Vincent.
with Vincent Co, 'di ba?
Mm-mm.
Talagang yung parang ginagano niya yung tiyan niya, si tiyanena,
Mm.
parang at saka parang medyo siya,
Mm.
on the bulky side,
Oh.
'di ba? Parang
Walang
gano'n.
sa akin naman, if in case she's really in that anticipating period, might as well just show it. After all, she's of age.
Mm.
Number two, it is a known fact that they love one another.
Mm.
So, what's the point of hiding it? Contract obligations?
Oo, kaya
Sa
lang,
tingin mo may contract obligations, Mars?
of course there is,
Mm-hmm. That you cannot
'di
get
ba?
pregnant?
Oo, that you cannot get pregnant.
Mm-hmm.
May mga gano'ng clause, may
Ah,
mga stipulations
may
na gano'n.
30s na siya. Kailangan na niya talaga ma-pregnant.
Oo, siyempre kasi iba kasi yung dapat i-endorse ng pregnant women kaysa
Mm.
dun sa single women.
Ah,
'Di ba?
lalo
Siyempre
na,
mag-iiba yung
oo.
mag-iiba yung tingin sa kanya. Ay, bakit pregnant na pala 'to, 'di ba? Alam mo
Lalo
naman
na
yung
nga, they're
gano'n.
not even admitting that they are in a relationship.
Mm.
Ang drama na nila, parang what you see is what you get. Very Clea Pineda and
Hmm.
Janela
Aray
Salvador.
ko.
Tapos, they never, no one is privy if they have gotten married.
Oo nga, kasi ang rumor na hindi pa nagkakatotoo is parang they will get married in
In
Spain.
Spain.
Yun ang rumor
Oo.
Parang 'di ba?
Hanggang ngayon,
Doon
malaking
mangyayari,
rumor
'di
pa
ba?
din.
Oo. So hindi pa nangyayari, either there is really no plan to get married in Spain,
Mhm.
or there is a plan pero not happening now,
Or,
'di ba?
pwede rin they are already married but not in Spain. Parang paandar lang yung sa Spain, pero kasal na talaga sila.
Or
Kasi kung or,
hindi church wedding ang nangyari
oo,
nauna, 'di ba?
pwedeng
Civil
civil,
lang, 'di
oo.
ba? Na sila lang, 'di ba?
Mm.
O it could be,
Which
'di
is a
ba?
very big possibility,
Mm.
lalo na nga't hindi na naman sila spring chicken,
Yeah.
'di ba?
They are already of age.
Age talaga. Well, kami talaga dito sa The City Show, of course, we wish them well, 'di
Mm.
ba? A happy relationship is a happy relationship, and for the longest time, Bea has had her fair share of failed romances. So maybe talagang si Vincent ang kanyang Prince Charming.
Oo, tsaka parang everything fell into
Mm,
its proper place.
oo. Sa tamang panahon, sa
Oo,
tamang pagkakataon.
at sa tamang edad,
Yeah, sa
'di
tamang
ba?
edad.
Kasi parang hindi mo naman masasabing rebound love yung
Oh,
nangyari, 'di
hindi
ba?
naman, oo.
Hindi,
At tagal
far
na lang
from
hiwalay ni
that,
Jeje,
oo,
eh.
far from that.
Oo.
Ang ano kasi, tsaka they're much in heaven kasi 'di
Mm,
ba, accomplice si Vincent ko, mas
mm,
lalo accomplice
mm.
si Bea Alonzo, 'di ba?
Oo.
Parang they are already ripe for a marriage.
Yes,
Mm.
'di ba? Saka alam naman natin lahat na parang Bea is that kind of person na she's so deserving to be to walk down the aisle,
Mm.
be a happy family woman because she has paid her dues,
Oo.
lalo na para sa kanyang pamilya.
Oo. Tsaka makikita mo na iba na rin yung interest ngayon ni
Yes,
ni
oo. She's
Bea.
into
Oo,
jewelry.
she no longer yung career niya, 'di ba?
Oo,
Kung saan lang siya dalhin.
oo.
Kung renew siya o hindi ng anumang network, okay lang sa kanya, 'di ba?
Yes, oo.
She's not rushing things, 'di ba?
Mm.
Parang kasi there was a time siguro na talagang aligaga siya na kailangan may movie ako, kailangan may
Oo.
teleserye akong
Marami siyang
bago.
gustong patunayan,
Mm.
marami siguro rin siyang tinutulungan. At
Mm.
siguro at this point in time in her life, nakapag-impok na siya ng bonggang-bongga.
Oo, at saka
Diba?
it's
May
about time.
farm,
Oo.
may bahay
May
sa
business.
may bahay sa Spain,
Mm.
'di ba?
Tsaka it's about time na yung isipin naman niya yung sarili niyang
Yes,
kaligayahan. Kasi
true.
everything will all get to naught kung wala ka namang
Oo.
inspiration.
May
'Di
phone-in
ba?
question, Mare. May
Ah,
nagtatanong kung iniisip mo rin ba ang kaligayahan mo? Kasi ang blooming-blooming mo with your new outfit.
ano?
Ang blooming-blooming mo with your new outfit kaya iniisip ng mga tao kung kamusta naman ang kaligayahan mo.
I am happy where I am, 'di ba? At saka,
Ay, ako nag-isip ha!
ha?
Nagbakel!
Hindi,
Diretso!
ibig ko sabihin, men don't make people happy. 'Di ba?
You don't need them to be happy because
Oo.
you're complete na.
It's not that I am complete.
Mm.
It's just that I am more at peace. Oh, 'di
Mm.
ba?
Ang lalim.
Mm.
May ganun talaga.
At saka I can live without men.
Oh.
I don't know if they can live without me. Charot! Aray ko! Magkape! My
Kape,
God!
marami pa. Kape.
Diba?
EP.
Oo.
Serve hot coffee. Yung walang sugar, barako.
Aray ko.
Para may nervous
I
kaming
don't drink
dalawa.
barako
Para may-
eh.
You don't like your
Sorry.
barako?
Oo.
You don't like your coffee barako?
I don't like coffee at all.
Oh,
Oo,
you're
I'm not a
drinking
co-
today.
I'm ano lang yan, occasional lang yan.
Occasional.
Oo, hindi yan it's not an everyday thing to me.
Mm,
Oo. This is the only time that I get to drink coffee.
okay.
On a sip lang ha. O di gulp na
So ano ang wishes mo for the co-couple?
I wish them magparami na sila,
Ah,
'di ba?
go forth and multiply era na.
Yeah. Tsaka I wish them parang kasi they were so hardworking, mag-slow down na sila.
Mm,
Na kasi
true.
kasi they are into into another stage of their life,
Of their
'di ba?
lives. Oo.
Pag nag-asawa na sila. So you make decisions na parang parang let's make a happy life.
Mm.
Yung out of stress, out of problems,
Oo.
yung
Saka-
cool lang, 'di ba?
Saka
Chill
ako,
lang.
I hope Bea enjoys the privacy that being a Mrs. ko
Mm.
na ibibigay ng pagiging Mrs. ko.
Oo, kasi si Bea naman parang she could be another si who was that? Who was married to
Like Erich.
Oo, Erich Gonzalez, 'di
Erich
ba?
Gonzalez Lorenzo.
Oo, 'di ba? Totally
Oo.
chok, 'di ba?
Diba?
Wala na.
Level din
Everything.
siya kay Nanette Medvedpo.
Oo,
Yung mga
'di ba?
ganon na makikita mo lang sa mga society events,
Oo.
biglang ka-appear, mabibigla ka na lang, ay, may mga supling na.
Oo, 'di ba?
Kailan nangyari yan? O, ganun na lang.
Mm.
I hope she's ready for it. Because I think this is going to be one of the better phases of her life. Being the wife of billionaire Vincent Ko.
Yeah.
Diba? Yun talaga ang ang talagang todo talaga doon yung billionaire.
Oo, tsaka hindi kasi
Parang bait-bait niya nung Vincent, diba? If you look at him sa mga photos.
tsaka he looks niya talagang parang he looks responsible,
Mm,
he looks hardworking,
mm,
he looks the structure of a man
mm,
fulfilled,
mm.
'di
Yes.
ba?
And I was able to talk to Chris Cahilig.
Mm.
He's the publicist of the chain of store. with Vincent. Napaka-professional raw, napaka-mabait, at walang ka-ere-ere ni Mr. Ko.
Sino si Chris Cahilig?
Siya nga yung publicist nung supermarket ni Vincent.
So, does it make sense?
Yes, because
Ah.
he's talking about his boss.
Mm.
Kamusta naman si Vincent as a boss? Sabi niya, very professional, very detailed.
Mm.
Tapos talagang gusto niya may solusyon lagi. Kung mo siyang bigyan ng problema, bigyan mo siya ng solusyon.
Ah.
Yung gano'n. So, nakakatuwa na may gano'n pa palang mga tao ah, na gano'n ka na yung mga mabait, na ang yaman-yaman pero mabait,
Down to earth.
down to earth.
Mm.
Tapos at ano talaga raw, painfully shy in public. Ayaw
Hmm.
masyado ng mga picture-picture, ng mga society eme-eme na yung gano'n. Pag very private, gusto niya pag family lang. Pag sila-sila lang talaga. Kaya
Hmm.
ako natutuwa ako lang because we don't make men like him anymore.
Talaga?
Yes.
Meron din.
Sino?
Ay, yung mga Johnny Rich. O, 'di ba, very
Ah,
public yun. Yun talagang hindi natin nagisnan, 'di ba?
mm.
Nagulat na lang tayo,
Asawa
everybody
na,
got shocked, 'di
may
ba?
asawa na si Erich.
At saka meron palang guy na gano'n.
Oo.
Gano'n ka-private.
Saka wala natin pag-usapan si Erich, no? Hindi naman siya yung topic today.
Ah.
Si Bea.
Hindi kasi may ano 'no, may
May
semblance.
parallelism.
Mm.
Okay.
'Di
And on
ba?
that note, this is Alvin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring ultra maldita
Hi, this Alex Brosas na ano?
na pagkaganda-ganda sa kanyang stripes number. Maraming salamat po sa panonood ng reality show, ang Toriana Talaken Showbiz Edition.